Hey everybody, this is Ernie Sigala with Sigala Designs. Before you watch this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and go ahead and comment below and tell us what you think about the new Corvette. Today we're going to show you how to remove your stock door panels from your C8 as well as your door handles. Now before we do the install, we're going to show you what you need to do the install. The first thing you're going to need is your basic auto trim and molding tool set to remove the door panel. The next thing you're going to need is your Torx screw key set. You're going to need a ratchet, small extension, and a 7 and 10 millimeter socket. First thing you're going to need is to remove the two Torx screws from the bottom of the door panel. You're going to remove this cover that's inside of the door handle. And there are 2 bolts here, and there's 6 clips around the door panel. I actually marked them for you so that you can see where they're at. First thing you're going to do is remove this little cover here that's inside the door handle. Take this product tool, pop it off, and here it is. This will expose the 2 7 millimeter bolts that are here inside the door handle. Next, remove the 2 bolts. Next up is these 2 T27 Torx screws, and I'm going to be removing them now. Both of your bolts, T27. Now you're going to use a tool trim tool to take the door panel, which is 6 different push pins. So I'm going to start here in the middle. There's one. You'll hear it pop. Don't be scared, it'll be okay. Now you work your way around. So there it is. Panel's off. All you do is push it up, move it. Next thing you're gonna do is remove the 2 clips here. They both have safeties on them, so you remove the safety. Push them in, push them out, push them in, push them out, and door panel's off. So here's your door panel, your stock C8 Corvette. A good habit to have is to put the stock bolts back where they were at on the stock location so you don't lose them. As you can see, after we remove the door panel, you can see where the clip locations are at, right here. Some of them are stayed with the door panel and some are still there. So it's a yellow clip that clips onto these white ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So as you can see, 3 stayed on and 3 stayed on the door panel. So it's okay. Now next, to get access to the door handle, we're gonna remove this panel here. This plastic panel that's glued on. We're gonna remove it slowly. Now the glue is gonna come back with the panel itself. There it is. Now what we're going to do is remove the 2 Torx screws that are T27 right underneath the door handle. Now we're going to remove the 4 10 millimeter nuts that are holding the door handle to the door, and they're all in here in a row. Okay, now here are the nuts. 4 10 millimeter. Now before you remove the door handle, make sure your window's rolled up to get access to those bolts. That's very important. Now I'm going to use this tool to remove the 2 push pins that are holding the wire for the button for the door handle. And here's the connector for the wire for the door handle. You remove the safety, push, and it's done. Okay, now you kind of wiggle it, and there is your door handle. Now that you've seen how to remove the door panel, to install it back to stock, just watch our video and take the steps backwards and you'll be able to install it correctly. Thank you guys for watching our video. I hope this really helped you guys. And if you guys really like it, comment below, make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching our videos. This is Ernie with Sigala Designs.